If you are a chocolate lover like me, you're gonna love these cupcakes. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, we are going to be making some Mississippi mud cake cupcakes. Now, when I was doing my research for this recipe, I saw that there's actually lots of different variations for this recipe, and so I chose the one that appealed to me most, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So let's get stuck into these delicious chocolate cupcakes. We're going to begin with the cupcake, so you want to pop your flour, sugar, bicarb soda, salt and unsweetened cocoa powder into a large mixing bowl. You want to mix those until everything is well combined. Next you want to add your softened butter, mine slightly melted but a little bit melted is okay. You want to mix that until it reaches kind of like this chocolate mud pebble texture. Then you want to add your eggs and milk and mix that as well. Now, once all of that is combined and you've got a nice, beautiful chocolate batter, don't be tempted to eat it all because you're going to add some chopped pecans and you're going to fold that in. Once those pecans are coated with that beautiful chocolate batter, we're going to line our cupcake tin with some cupcake liners. Once you've got all of those filled about 3/4 of the way, you're going to pop these in the oven on 160 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 50 minutes. These are going to bake nice and slow at a low temperature, which is going to get us that nice flat top. Once they're baked, transfer them to a cooling rack. The next thing we're going to move on to is our chocolate ganache frosting. So we're going to add some chocolate to a large microwave safe bowl, along with some thickened or whipping cream. And we're going to microwave this for about 20 seconds at a time, mixing each time until everything is nice and smooth. You're going to set this aside at room temperature to set. We're going to whip some cream as well, so add your cream to a large mixing bowl. We're going to add some sweetened condensed milk in there and a little bit of vanilla extract. We're going to whip that until we reach stiff peaks. Now guys, a quick friendly reminder, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all the latest episodes, and make sure you hit the little bell icon to make sure you get notified when there's new ones up. Let's get stuck into decorating. Our cupcake's baked beautifully. We're going to core the center and fill it up with some chocolate sauce. I haven't filled my cupcakes for a long time, and as usual you guys have noticed, so this one is for you guys. We're going to frost our cupcakes in a new style. I didn't come up with this, but I used to use it at the bakery I worked at. It's kind of called a double bulb. So we're going to pipe one bulb and then we're going to pipe another bulb directly on top of that. Now we're going to use a small round tip to frost some little bulbs of our whipped cream frosting. And we're going to finish this with a nice dusting of cocoa powder. And that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so those were my Mississippi mud cake cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and make sure you subscribe as well. Now you're going to find the recipe for these cupcakes on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching guys, and thank you for all of the incredibly amazing feedback on this first Sugar Rebels episode. If you haven't watched that already, I uploaded a kind of different style video last Sunday. I encourage you guys to go and watch that. If you want to leave a suggestion for what you want to see on the next Sugar Rebels episode, leave a comment down below, let me know. I've actually filmed 5 of them already, so you might see them in the next couple of weeks. But I'm super excited for you guys to see the next one. It's for Mother's Day, and then I have a really cool one coming up the week after. So if you have any suggestions for what you want to see on the Sugar Rebels episodes, leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Guys, check out my brand new couch. Hang on, let me just quickly show you guys. There's not very much great lighting. Let's turn the lighting up in here. That's not the right setting. No, that's the wrong way. Yep, there we go. I need to get further away. Okay, let's get into the kitchen. So this is my brand new couch, and let's focus. There we go. Pretty gorgeous couch. Everything's coming along. I want to show you guys something That is one of my favorite things about this new setup. And that is this book. I love this book. It is so cool. I found it in a department store and I had to pick it up straight away because it is the gayest thing I've ever seen.